Hi guys, I have discussed about hypersensitivity. I made a video on hypersensitivity 1, hypersensitivity 2, hypersensitivity 3. Now, in this our last video for the series of hypersensitivity, and that is made up of made up on type 4 hypersensitivity. Type 4 hypersensitivity, commonly called delay type hypersensitivity, is the only class of hypersensitivity reactions which are triggered by antigen specific T cells. Thus, this is also called cell mediated immunoreactions. This is mediated by T cell dependent effector mechanism involving T cell, that is Th cell or T helper cell, primarily of the Th1 subtype, but in a few cases T cytotoxic cell TC cells. Antibodies do not play a role in type 4 hypersensitivity reactions. Very important point. Antibodies do not play in type 4 hypersensitivity. It's a cell mediated immunity which is responsible for the T cell mediated, specifically T cell, mainly T helper cell, sometimes T cytotoxic cells also involved. On activations, the Th1 cell release cytokines that cause accumulations and activations of macrophages, which in turn cause local damage or local tissue destruction. In type 4 hypersensitivity, which is called the delay, this DTH means delay type hypersensitivity. Those chemokines which macrophage recruitment to site of antigens. Interferon gamma, which activates macrophages, increase release of inflammatory mediators. TNF alpha and local tissue destructions increase expressions of adhesions molecules on local blood vessels. And interleukin 3, monocytes production by bone marrow stem cells. So commonly we say that antigen is posted by tissue, macrophages and stimulated T helper 1 cells, and then the mechanism involved which I have discussed. The tuberculin skin test is an example of an type 4 hypersensitivity. This test is done by putting a small amount of tuberculin purified protein derivatives, which is PPD, under the top layer of skin. If any person has ever been exposed to the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, this is responsible for the cases of tuberculosis in human beings. To the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, skin will react to the antigen by developing a firm red bump at the site within 2 days. It is a standard method of determining whether a person is infected with Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Here the overview of the hypersensitivity, which is type 1, which is classified by type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Hypersensitivity is an exaggerated immunoresponse that results in tissue damage and is manifested in the individual on a second or subsequent contact with an antigen. So you can write in briefly from this video. So you can make your own note of hypersensitivity from this video. I hope this video will help you to understand the whole mechanism involved in the hypersensitivity, which is also involved in type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. If you like this video, if you help you in understanding of this video, please share with your friends and please subscribe. Please tell them to subscribe us and press the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you.